Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and I was just sent this set of Velcro hook and loop strips that have sticky backs on them from PHIXBEAR. Thank you guys for sending these. These would work absolutely fantastic if you're going to be putting these in a car to hold down your floor mats, or if you're going to be using it anywhere that you're needing to stick something and have it there for the long haul. I say that because these things are extremely durable. They have sticky backs on the back side of these that you can easily peel off, and you can see that stickiness on there. I mean, that is some sticky residue that you can adhere the back of that to. But the hook and loop side of this thing grips better than any hook and loop I have ever seen in my life. I mean, this thing is, I can't even pull that apart. Pulling it this direction, hang on, that is in there. And it can keep doing that over and over and over again. These things are absolutely robust. Loving the fact that this comes in several different sizes. You get a set of 4 of the circular size, a set of these smaller tabs, which would be great for maybe hooking up charging ports and things like that by a computer, to where you can hook on the back side, stick it on there, and then know that it's not going to, fall off on you. And you've got some bigger ones here, which would be great for holding down car floor mats and whatnot. If you don't have those little hook-doos, put those in there. They do provide you with a little dragon claw that you can use to help peel off the back side of this, or to get it started if you need to remove it, because there's no sticky residue if you ever have to do that. Now, these have been tested down to -40 degrees and also up to 199 degrees. So I know that these are going to last a long time for whatever your needs might be.